Want to lose weight and keep eating? For you.
In my financial situation.
What's up, John?
Damn! You've arrived. Finally. Welcome to my Caucasian home. Come inside. These are Malaysian bamboo floors. Yes, this is my house. This is how I live. Honestly, this is me, all this, yes. You know what? Damn, it's so rude. I didn't even offer you coffee. I know you want some, because I do, and it's top of the line. It's Pavani. You kind of turn it. Oh shit, damn. And you know what? Well, that's over. It's canceled. We don't need coffee when we have sparkling water right behind us. Follow me. My collection. These are only for parties. All right? Let's move on to something that really matters, like my kitchen TV that I like to watch with what is it? Security cameras. I like to watch the security cameras. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cameras I have set up in my house. Security is always great. That's why I have it. And this is, wow, one of the more better things in my house. The refrigerator. We have leaves. And we love leaves here. Leaves and kombucha ginger ale. It's real good. It's good for vibrant skin, toenails. We have colored eggs. Now I know I'm white, but white people have colored eggs, as I like to call them, minority eggs. Real good. I like to crack them open. Real messy. And apples and strawberries, everything that a rich white woman would have. The kitchen was fabulous. I know. Yes. This is zebra. And you know, honestly, I paid P. Diddy $2 million, $2 million, to beat the shit out of zebras. And look at the result. He made me cheers. And this is, wow. This is my family. This is me and my mom. There's me. There's my mom. And Kathy, wow, you know, I mean, she's divorced. Yeah, and my grandpa, what a handsome white man. You know, honestly, he owned Sunco. And he also created the electric toothbrush, very white, I know. And these are my blue books from Gail's book club. You know Oprah. Who doesn't know Oprah's book club? Well, these are Gail's. These are blue. I demanded the bitch to give me blue books because that's all I read. One of my favorite blue books is After This. Brilliant. I mean, every night I read it. It's just, wow, yeah, I love it. It's a great book. And Gail's the best. Just put it back right how it was. Thank you, Gail. And this is my closet. These are so nice. Yeah, these are real nice. Oh my God. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. Wow, yeah, I've moved on. A lot of this shit is just trash. Honestly, trash. Oh, wow. Yeah. I wear this with Kirstie Alley every Sunday at the shooting range, honestly. And Kirstie, I know you're gonna watch this. Call me up. We'll do brunch, and then we'll go pick out our assault rifles. Miss you, homegirl. My jewels. This is very important part of the house. Like these earrings from my third grandpa. You know, these diamonds from husbands of mine in the past. This 34 karat gold necklace from my mother. And I love to pocket these, like, you know, every day, once a day. That's why I have them on me. I put them back at night. I just like to hold them because, well, you know, it's a lot of people in here filming me right now, and I don't really know you guys that well. So we'll keep this like that, and we'll leave. This was the closet. Hope you liked it. Welcome to my beautiful bathroom. But look, you're gonna have to give me a minute because I need to freshen up my face. So cut it off. off. All right, cut it off. Cut it off. Now we're gonna take a tour to the outside. It's fabulous. You'll see. Just we have a pool and we just have to we have to get out first. And it's a trick to this door. It never seems to open right. Oh my God.
What is going on in here? Who are you?
Mrs. Gonzalez, she wasn't supposed to be here till 5. It's 3. What's going on?
Miss Gonzalez. Excuse me? No, my name is Chelsea Peretti.
She's the maid. She's a little, she's angry because I haven't paid her.
Who are you? Do you understand me?
This is a very special moment for me.
I'm sorry, are those my grandmother's pearls?
No.
All entwined in your dirty fingers? Excuse me.
What are you doing?
Excuse me,
Get them
honey.
back.
Oh.
How dare you ruin this for me? This is my show.
Yes,
they're doing this for me.
Residence.
Get out, Mrs. Gonzalez, immediately.
My Caucasian home. Yes, the Grand Mansion on Caucasian Lane. Please send help. Send as many people as you can. Our community is in danger.